Hello, I wanted to pop on here really quickly before the actual FabFitFun video and just let you know that the footage you're about to see was filmed several weeks ago. Keep that in mind when you're watching it. There's a product that shows up that is in my skincare routine and has been for several weeks. I just forgot to upload this. I had other things going on, but I know some of you are wondering where the FabFitFun video was for fall and what I got in my regular box. So I wanted to put it up for you. It's very casual, very laid back. So here you go.
Hello, I just finished filming a very casual PR unboxing here on my floor closet on my phone, and I looked over and saw my fall FabFitFun box sitting there that I buy myself. Now this is the first season that I have not worked with FabFitFun on an unboxing in about 5 years, I think. They seem to not use YouTube as their primary platform, didn't work with a lot of their regular YouTubers for the fall unboxing for whatever reason. But you know, I buy a box each season that I usually give to a relative. And so I just thought I would share what's in that box so you can see what I got in my non-influencer box, even though it's kind of late, but I need to go through this stuff and put it away. So I thought, why not just do it with you guys? As usual, we have the magazine. I honestly cannot remember what I chose, if I'm even getting what I chose. I don't remember what the selections were, so I'm literally just going through here very quickly and sharing what I ended up with. So if you do get FabFitFun, let me know what you ended up with down below. The first thing that I am seeing, let me just go ahead and take it out of the plastic so it doesn't make a bunch of noise. Now I do remember selecting this because I thought it would probably be really cute. We just moved into our new house and I wanted to maybe start fresh with some new measuring cups and measuring spoons. So this is from Food 52. They are dishwasher safe and it's just a measuring cup and spoon set, and they are attached, or you can have them, you know, not attached. I like the colors and they do feel pretty solid and substantial. They don't feel cheap. It says they're made from BPA-free materials, so I am happy with this choice. I also chose this next product. This is the Indie Lee Brightening Cleanser Strengthen and Glow. I've never tried an Indie Lee product before, so I wanted to try it. It says brighten up with this antioxidant-rich cleanser, makeup remover, and mask in one. It's got strawberry seed oil, hydrolyzed wheat protein, and tomato extracts, which help strengthen, firm, and protect. And they're supposed to leave your skin hydrated, silky, and luminous. There's what the bottle looks like. It's in a nice, hefty glass bottle. It smells really nice, kind of fruity, strawberry-ish, and I'm excited to try it because this brand gets tons of raves and I feel like I've been missing out. So I was excited to see that as a choice. I was also excited to see this as a choice. This is the NARS Orgasm X blush, which was one of my favorite shades in one of the NARS palettes that I have. And so I was really excited to get it as a single because basically the cost of this blush paid for the box, basically. The lighting in here is not that great, but I mean, you know, it looks kind of scary, but when you blend it out, it's really nice and it gives this just subtle, really beautiful luminosity. It's kind of like a blush and highlighter combined. I hope you can see where I rub my finger through it, that sparkle, that glitter. It goes away. It's not scary or glittery when it's on the skin. This was just so pretty. So I am glad that I actually got this in my box. You know, some things you think I'm not actually going to get my choice, but I did. So I'm very happy. I was really excited about this next choice too because it's a product that I repurchase religiously. I use it in my everyday life and love it. This is the Necessaire, the body wash in the eucalyptus scent. It has niacinamide, vitamins C and E. It's also got omega-6 and 9. It's a gel formula that nourishes and hydrates skin. It doesn't dry your skin out. It lathers really nicely. The eucalyptus scent is a very earthy scent. It's not overwhelming or fake. It's a natural, beautiful scent. It's a beautiful product. I love basically the whole Necessaire line. So this was a no-brainer no-brainer for me. Very, very happy with this. Now, I don't really remember all the choices in this next category, but I feel like I picked these because it was kind of just the best choice out of everything, but they're just not really that exciting. So this is the To The Market 100% wool dryer balls. I mean, I'll use them, I'm sure. It's just, I don't know, a useful product, which I mean, these boxes can be good for too. They do come in this nice storage pouch, and this is basically what the dryer balls look like. I mean, dryer balls are good to have if you don't want to use dryer sheets, if you're trying to get away from dryer sheets but you don't want static, or if you're trying to dry bedding and you don't want it to get all tangled. So there are 3 in here. I mean, I'll definitely use them. It's just not that exciting of an item, but it will get used. Same thing for this category. This is a vegetable chopper. I feel like it was just kind of the best choice out of all of them. I have not used it yet. I'm literally just taking it out of the box and we just heard bubble wrap. I got this because it's a little bit different. I don't have anything like it. I don't know if it's gonna last, if it's gonna break, but even if it does, I mean, I view it as being something kind of extra that I basically got for free since the cost of my box is clearly paid for. You have the blade in here, you place your chunks of vegetables in there, then you put the lid on, twist it so it locks in place, and then you pull this string and it chops your vegetables. I have not used it yet, so we'll see how this goes, but I just thought it was something that was kind of different than what I have and kind of handy to use if I don't want to get out an appliance. Plus, it's easy to clean, easy to store. There's also a box of Lumify in here. I have never tried Lumify. I'm not a big proponent of using these too much because they're really not that great for your eyes and can increase dryness. I was in eye care for several years, so I'm kind of weird about things that people do to their eyes on a daily basis. But they are good to have on hand for, you know, every now and then. I'm guessing they are sponsoring this box in some way. I couldn't find anything in the magazine, but I'm glad to have them to give them a shot because I probably would never have bought them on my own. So that's in the box too. You know, when I was picking out my selections for this box that I paid for out of my own pocket, I wasn't sure if I was going to be happy with it, but now that I have everything here, I'm very happy with it, especially since it more than paid for itself with just one product, maybe 2. But I mean basically just one. So I just wanted to casually share with you what I received in my fall FabFitFun 2022 box, since I didn't have an official unboxing video to share all the choices and all that before customization opened this time. If you got this fall FabFitFun box, were you happy with yours? What did you get? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!